Welcome to this English lesson. In this video, I will show you a clear, simple plan to help you master English in 30 days. This lesson is designed for beginners and lower intermediate learners who want to speak English more fluently and confidently in real life. If you stay with me until the end, you will have a complete 30-day routine you can start today. So, let's begin. First, I want you to imagine something. Imagine yourself 30 days from now. You wake up, you open your phone, and you listen to an English podcast. You understand most of it. Later, you talk to someone in English. You do not freeze. You do not translate every word in your head. You feel calm and clear. This is possible if you follow a focused plan. In this video, I will give you that plan. We will talk about listening, speaking, vocabulary, pronunciation, and daily habits. I will also give you a simple 30-day schedule you can follow step by step. This video is like a free English speaking course for beginners. Use it as your guide. Let's start with a very important idea. To master English in 30 days, you do not need to study for many hours every day, but you do need to study a little bit every day. Consistency is more important than intensity. It is better to study 20 or 30 minutes every day than 3 hours only one day a week. Your brain learns language through repeated contact. You need daily contact with English. You need daily English practice. So our plan will be simple, realistic, and possible even if you are busy. Now let's talk about the 4 main skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. In this 30-day plan, we will focus mainly on listening and speaking because most of you want to improve your English speaking skills, your English conversation, and your confidence. Reading and writing are also important, but in this challenge, they will support your speaking. Step 1 is listening. Listening is the foundation of spoken English. Before you can speak well, you must understand the sounds, rhythm, and music of the language. So for the first 10 days, listening will be your main job. Your goal is to listen to easy English every single day. This is called English listening practice. Do not choose very difficult content. If you understand 0, your brain becomes tired and confused. Instead, choose materials where you understand at least 60 to 80%. For example, you can use simple English podcasts, YouTube videos for English learners, or stories in easy English. You can also use this channel as your daily listening practice. Now I will give you a simple rule. For the first 10 days, try to do at least 20 minutes of English listening every day. You can divide it into 2 parts, like 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. You can listen while you are cooking, cleaning, walking, or taking a bus. The key is to make listening a habit. When you listen every day, your ears get used to the sounds of natural English. You begin to recognize common words and phrases in real speed. This is essential if you want to speak English in real conversations. Many people ask me, how can I improve my English listening and speaking together? One powerful method is called shadowing. Shadowing is our second big step. Shadowing means you listen to a native speaker and you repeat what they say at almost the same time. You try to copy their pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. It is like you are their shadow. This is very powerful for English speaking practice. It trains your mouth, your tongue, and your brain to work together. You stop thinking about each word and you start feeling the flow of English.
Here is how to do it. First, choose a short audio or video in clear, slow, or medium speed English. 1 to 3 minutes is perfect in the beginning. You listen once to understand the main idea, then you play it again, and this time you repeat after the speaker as quickly as you can. Do not worry if you cannot catch every word. Focus on the rhythm and the general sound. Do this for 5 minutes a day for the first 10 days. This short, focused shadowing practice can give you a big improvement in your English pronunciation and fluency. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. Shadowing is English-speaking practice, not an exam. Just keep going, even with mistakes. Now, let's talk about vocabulary. Many learners feel stuck because they think, my English vocabulary is too small. I do not know enough words. But the truth is, you do not need thousands of difficult words to speak good English. You need useful, everyday English words and phrases that you can use in daily English conversation. For this 30-day challenge, I want you to focus on high-frequency words and common phrases. These are words like need, want, try, learn, make, help, and phrases like I'm looking for, I'm trying to, I would like to, can you help me with? Here is a simple method to build your vocabulary in 30 days. Every day, choose 5 to 10 new words or phrases. They should be useful and common. Write them in a small notebook or in your phone. Then create 2 or 3 simple sentences with each word. Say these sentences out loud. For example, if your word is improve, you can say, I want to improve my English. I'm trying to improve my English listening. This video will help me improve my English speaking. When you connect vocabulary to your real life, you remember it better. Now let's connect everything into a clear schedule. I will give you a simple 30-day English learning plan you can follow. Days 1 to 10 focus on listening and shadowing. Every day, do 20 minutes of easy English. Choose content for English learners, or simple podcasts or short videos. Also, do 5 minutes of shadowing with a short audio or video. Try to copy the speaker's rhythm and pronunciation.
Finally, learn 5 new words or phrases and make sentences with them. Relaxed. When you are relaxed, you learn faster. Tell yourself, I am an English learner. I am getting better step by step. This is not magic. It is simply a healthier way to think about your progress. Another important point, do not compare yourself to other people. Do not compare your English to YouTubers, celebrities, or native speakers. Compare your English to your own English from yesterday, last week, or last month. If you can understand more today than 1 month ago, you are winning. If you can say more sentences today than before, you are winning. Progress is personal. It is your journey. Now let's quickly review the complete 30-day challenge so you can remember it easily. Days 1 to 10. Focus on listening and shadowing. Listen to easy English for 20 minutes a day. Do 5 minutes of shadowing. Learn 5 new words or phrases and make sentences with them. Days 11 to 20. Keep listening and shadowing and add self-speaking. Talk to yourself every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Describe your actions or talk about a simple topic. Days 21 to 30, continue all the previous habits and add real conversations with other people if possible. Review your vocabulary and practice pronunciation with short sentences. If you follow this plan every day, you will not become perfect in 30 days, but you will see a big change in your English. Your listening will be better. Your speaking will be faster and more natural. Your vocabulary will be larger.
Most importantly, your confidence will grow. You will feel that English is possible for you. Before we finish, I want to give you a simple daily checklist you can remember. Number 1, English listening, 20 minutes. Number 2, shadowing, 5 minutes. Number 3, vocabulary, 5 new words or phrases. Number 4, speaking, 5 to 10 minutes with yourself or with a partner. If you do these 4 things every day, you are doing real English learning, not just passive watching. You are training your brain to think and speak in English. Now, I want to talk directly to you. You are watching this video because you want to change something. You want better opportunities, better communication, maybe a better job, travel, or study abroad. English can open many doors for you, but it will only work if you take action. Watching this video is a good first step, but it is not enough. After this video, you must decide, will you start your 30-day challenge today? If your answer is yes, say it out loud. I will practice English every day for the next 30 days. This simple promise to yourself is powerful. Finally, remember that you are not alone. Many people around the world are learning English right now, just like you. You are part of a global community of learners. Be kind to yourself, be patient, and keep going. Even on days when you feel tired or busy, try to do at least 5 or 10 minutes. Small actions still move you forward. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope this 30-day plan helps you master English step by step. If you want more simple English lessons and listening practice, you can watch my other videos after this one. For now, take a deep breath, smile, and get ready to start your first day of the challenge. Your English can be very different 30 days from now. You can do this. Let's begin.